Hello, it's Bishesh, and today I'm going to show you a project I did for my computer science class. It was just a quick program that demonstrates calculating the total distance traveled using time and acceleration, which we put into variables in the program. So basically, we just used the distance formula using 1/2 times acceleration times time squared. And then we inputted those values in directly into different variables, and then we had a float data type. We used float data types for our variables that calculated the total distance, and then in the end we just printed out what the time was, what the acceleration was, and then what the distance traveled was. So as you can see here with the float data types, we assigned variables to time, acceleration, and distance. And for the time, it was 5.36. For the acceleration, it was 32.0. And then for the distance, we used the formula 1.0 divided by 2, which is 1/2, times acceleration times time squared, which, because there isn't like a squared or, to the power of in C++, we just did times time times time. And then later we had the cout fixed and then set precision to 1, which basically limits C++ when it has the output to only go one place after the decimal point. And then once we have all these values set, we just printed it out, the time, the acceleration, and then the distance traveled. And then with these set widths, the reason I had those in those statements were just so I could line up the output and make it look neat. And then that is the end of that main function. So let's go ahead and build the solution. There we go. And then if we run it, it says the time 5.4 because the float, and then it rounds up. And then the acceleration 32.0 feet per second. And then the distance traveled was total, according to that formula, was 459.7 feet. And with that, as you can see, everything is lined up nice and neat because I used set width and I counted the spaces. And that's pretty much it for this program. Just set values to float data type variables and then performed calculations with them. So that is it for this video, and thank you for watching.